Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I'm going to do a little flip through of my journal, my daily journal for January 2025. So if you did not see my change for 2025, I am basically doing a half letter journal. This is dot grid. I just print this at home, cut the paper, punch it, put it in, boom, done. So I did make this. This is not a journal properly per se. I just made this myself. Dollar Tree cutting mat. This is a Dollar Tree wallpaper, I think it is. And then I've just got the final word here that is my word of the year, which is magic. So let's have a look what I did for January. So my goal, if you remember, for this journal was to just journal every day and use my scraps, my stash, my stamps, my pens, use all the things that I had at my disposal. And I think I've done that. This was the first. I had my magic set. I wanted that to be the focus here, my magic set. My one little word begins, daily journaling and project life. And I just put a little bit of washi in here. You'll see things change as the month goes on. Do I like the blue? No, but I found a little bit of blue there and I think it works. But I don't really like it, but I'm staying with it because this is a decision that I made. This is a decision that I made. For the second, again, what I've done, so I should preface this, what I've done is I've used the same alphabets. I did this in the setup. I've just used the same alphabets for the day and the date, and then the little ones here. So these are from Hobby Lobby. These are from, I think they were in a grabby box. These are just random stamps. These are what my girlfriend sent me. These are from Dollar Tree. These are from Dollar Tree. So I've just got journaling here about reading, about my tarot, because I didn't think, I should have noticed this, didn't think until after I started this, that I could have just put my tarot in here. I could have just put my tarot in here. I didn't need a separate journal for that. Live and learn. And then my friend Regina, reaching out to her and chatting with her. For the third, I'm using the same stamps. That's the same stamp set. That's the same stamp set. That's the same stamp set. This is an Ali Edwards stamp. And I've got a little bit of washi tape because I think I was using that washi or I wanted yellow. And this is the book that I finished that day. Again, you'll see things change, and I don't mind that these don't match per se. It's just, you know, I take each one out and I work on that one page that day. It doesn't matter if it doesn't match. So for this, again, I've got the same stamps at the top. These are just Happy Planner stickers that I had lying around. I was organizing the containers that I got from Michael's. I was doing goal setting, and then I was reading the book on Libby. These are Happy Planner stickers as well. Again, I'm trying to use the remainders of my sticker books. That is one of the purposes of doing it daily this year. This day was the day that my husband surprised me with the washer and the dryer pedestals, the little things at the bottom that lift them up. I doodled these. Look at them. I doodled them. And I say this all the time. All you have to do, if you have a doodle that you want to do, go on your phone, type in laundry doodle, washing machine doodle, dryer doodle, and then just copy it. Just try your best to copy it. That's what I did here. I think you can tell that there are a washer and a dryer. Yeah, and then just some journaling about Cosmo. These are stamps that my girlfriend got me for, I think it was my birthday or Christmas, I can't remember. So the 6th and the 7th, I just put a little bit about cleaning. I wasn't sure what I was doing up here. I decided to use it for some weather because we had weather. We had weather in January. So I just put a little bit about cleaning. This is an Ali Edwards stamp. This is Ali Edwards. This is again Happy Planner. This is again just a book stamp that I've got. These are Ali Edwards stamps. I had not even used these. I'd never even used these. So I'm using stamps that I've never used, which is fantastic. This is a doodle, again, it's a doodle of the unit that I got in my office to put my printer on top. So I just did a little doodle. Just did a little doodle, and the grey is a little shadow. Yeah, again, this is the stuff that I want to do. Using odd little stickers and stuff and trying to make it come together. January I'm counting as my test month. So you can see here, we started having power outages on the Tuesday the 7th because it was windy. And then here, still got no power, trying to keep busy, but we've got no power. And that was the theme of the month. Fires, no power, trying to keep busy. And then we had the fire near us. And then I'm just using random stamps. Random stamps. These again, I think these were Ali Edwards. This is a stamp. This is not washi tape. This is a stamp. This is a stamp. But yeah, and this alpha stamp is Dollar Tree. And then just colouring things in and using different colours and stuff. And stuff. So I had bought, you can see here, a little plane. This plane was from a travel set that I bought from Dollar Tree. And I'm like, we have the fires nearby with the water dropping planes. They are more than just for travel. Who knew? They're more than just for travel. We've got more wind. Oh, that was when we found out that the fire nearby was most likely arson. WTF. Woke up with power. I doodled a little light bulb. And I spent some time on my iPad in Procreate working on the January printables for Patreon. So I just doodled a little iPad. This one is for Saturday. Again, using this for the weather. That might be what I do up there. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out stuff. These little cactuses are rub-ons that I bought from Dollar Tree ages ago. And then I'd used them in a couple of spreads. And then I had some left, and I'm like, this is what this is for. Use the damn rub-ons, and then I just coloured them in. And I used some washi tape, but yeah. Crazy time again, because again, power is off, fires, blah, blah, blah. Said it before, January was a hell of a month. I actually like this spread that it's kind of a bit more cohesive, like left and right. Again, wind, more wind. I went out for a 5k walk. This was the first time I went out for a 5k walk since the beginning of December. Because I was sick, we had winds, etc. Project Life, I just doodled my Project Life planner and then coloured in. And then Stories by the Month, because I got the digital kit today. More wind, here we go again. Went shopping. I have not used these shopping stickers from Happy Planner more than I have since I've been doing this journal. So, shopping, and I bought a new kettle. So I doodled a kettle. Doodled a kettle, that's a doodle. Then we have the 14th and 15th. I'm grateful, but it's damn annoying with no power. Wind and Truth was actually the book that I was reading. I did a little book review. Generator stress test. Bob wanted to do some stuff with the generator, so we're trying to figure out how much we can use, how much power we can use to still run the generator. Stamps, Happy Planner stickers, stamps. This one, we had a notification that the power was probably going to go out, and the waiting is worse. I'd just rather they just shut the damn thing off, because the waiting is worse. My Dyson broke. The brushes on the front no longer roll. Got nothing. And then these are Washi Tape Shop. And I think this is Washi Tape Shop as well. I can't remember. I think this is Washi Tape Shop. And I put yes because this was the day that the roofing company called us to ask if they could come on Thursday. And our roof was trashed. So yes, please. Thursday and Friday is 16th and 17th. The roofers came here. It was hard to do anything because the roofers were here. So I was just sitting in the living room with the dogs. And yeah. And I finally finished the book that I'd been reading. So yeah, and it was on a time crunch. These are stamps. I think these are Ali Edwards. Oh, and this alpha here, this is Ali Edwards. This kind of mixed font alpha is Ali Edwards. This one's Dollar Tree. But yeah, we had a frost, which is why I chose the the snowflake. And then this is a doodle. These I kind of like. I don't like this, but yeah. I was trying to, again, this is my experiment. This is my experiment journal. So I've got washi tape shop. These are from washi that my girlfriend sent. This is a doodle with a piece of washi. Made myself a to-do list, trying to get all the things done. I actually did a workout, got on the bike, and I did yoga. First time in 6 weeks. This was the day that Cosmo pulled me over, and so I got a little dog thing there. Cosmo pulled me over, and yeah. And then I was just trying to get a lot of work done because we'd been without power. And this is the washi tape shop. This, I don't know whose this is. For the 20th, I've just got, this is just doodle writing, some happy planner stickers, washi tape shop. Again, windy, and got yoga done, went grocery shopping, and I hit 5K subscribers on YouTube. That's my doodle, my YouTube doodle. I've actually just done another one of those, so. Happy planner sticker, just trying to be productive. The roof got finished. I doodled this. This is a doodle. This is a doodle. If you can't tell, it's a doodle. So the roof got finished. 22nd, happy planner stickers. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. But story-wise, working, filming and editing, had another fire nearby. And yeah, and then power shut off warning again. Power went out. Bob was supposed to go for lunch with his friend, and then we did a test with when the power went out. We finally got to test the generator with our new plug thing. I love this. I think that's one of the things I find. The happy planner stuff just isn't what I need. Like, these are fine. The little ones are fine, but the big stickers don't really lend themselves well. So this day on Friday, I took Cosmo to the park, went to Trader Joe's, went to Ralph's. I did some cooking, and I did my haircut. That is those are happy planner, washi tape shop. This is washi tape shop. I don't know whose these are. These are just ones my girlfriend sent me. Did some work, did some food prep, and we finally got rain. Finally got rain. Heck yes. Sunday, rained all day. Just did some little raindrops, and then work to get ahead is basically just the two things. Started Saturday night, got drenched on Saturday night, and then working ahead, trying again catch up from all the power outages, the winds, the fires, etc. These stickers are grabby that I'd forgotten that I had. I decided to sign up for the storyteller kits from Ali Edwards each quarter. I became a happy planner affiliate on the 27th. So if you're looking for anything happy planner, try and use my link down below. Thank you very much. And I got back to the gym. On Tuesday, I got my box. I got a box of goodies from Rini, which contained some of the washi tape shop stuff. So yeah, some of the washi tape shop stuff. And I just basically back at the gym, a lot of day working, and that was that. I like this. Yeah, I don't know. I sometimes feel like less is more. Less is more. Wednesday the 29th was Lunar New Year. I don't even remember why I chose to use the blue and the green here. I think I chose the green because of this, and it just brought some of that colour over. But yeah, I like it. I don't like the happy planner stickers. But I'm finding it's hard to stamp every day. Like, I don't have time to stamp every day, but I got my hair coloured, Year of the Snake. I thought Taylor Swift would announce Rep TV. She didn't. It's like, started a new book. Oh, finished the book, started a new one. And I got my fuse tool. So yes, it's just a tool that I've ordered. And then this is the end of January. I got Happy Mail from Rebecca. Rebecca, if you're watching, I just got your card because I had not checked my P.O. box. I realised during January at some point, because of the fires, the winds, being sick, the power outages, I'd not been out and I'd not checked my P.O. box. went to check my PO box and she had sent me a Christmas card. So yeah, so thank you. And then I've got shopping at the produce market, Trader Joe's, and then chatting to mum and dad. These are just stamps from Dollar Tree. These are Happy Planner stickers. And then Friday, I basically jumped straight back in and I tried to get my YouTube channel trailer filmed. I have been putting this off for so long, like I can't tell you, so long. And I'd literally had the thing scripted. I'd had everything like ready to go. I just needed to film it, and I actually got it filmed Friday morning. I did some stuff on taxes. This is a Happy Planner sticker. This is a Dollar Tree stamp, and I just put a little bit about the taxes, a little bit about doing the Patreon printable and getting it cut and printed myself and testing it. So that was Friday. All right, I hope that you got some interesting inspiration or whatever from this. Again, this is just what I'm doing right now instead of doing a weekly spread. I will say I do like it. It is giving me more space to journal. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.